Okay, the bill was £112. Each paid £2 more than if Christine in the question paid for herself. How many friends were there? So let X be the number of friends. And they paid Y pounds each for the meal, say. So they each paid Y pounds, so XY is equal to 112, the total bill. Now, if Christine had paid for herself, X, so there'll be X plus one of them, each one would have paid £2 less, because if they paid £2 more here, but if they paid £2 less, then it would have been 112. Same bill, of course. So if X has number of friends, they each paid Y pounds, it would have been 112. But if Christine had chipped in, everyone would have had to pay £2 less. So that would be 112. So that's one way to express it. So here then, let's expand the bracket. Yes, I think that's the best way to do it. Although we could just substitute in first, couldn't we? So this is Y equals 112 over X. Because we want to find out how many friends. So we're going to find out X if we do this substitution. So X plus 1. And then we've got Y, which we can replace by 112 over X minus 2 equals 112. 4 lines for pair brackets. First line, the x's cancel and it just leaves 112 minus 2x plus 112 over x, because there's one lot of that. And then the last term, 1 times minus 2 is minus 2 equals 112. They cancel. And we get left with, let's move this over there, 2x. Let's move this over there, plus 2. And let's move this over there, minus 112 over x equals 0. Multiplied by x. And we could divide by 2. See the 2 common? So I'm going to do that as well at the same time. So this would be x squared. Multiplied by x squared divided by 2, the 2's cancel. This would be 2x over 2, which is just x. And this would be 56 minus 56. Looks like we can factorize this, doesn't it? It looks user-friendly. So let's try that then. First line, first term. That's our x. There's the middle 2 lines and there's the last line. Last line, last term is minus 56, and it looks to me like it's minus 7 and 8 straight away, because I can see when you add them, this many of this and that many of that will give 1. So I can see straight away that it's going to be plus 8 minus 7, doing factorization. The only positive solution here will be this when this is 0, because this will give minus 8. So x minus 7 equals 0. X equals 7. So 7 friends. And we could see that 7, y is 112 over 7. So how much did they pay out of interest? Let's have a look. 7, although it's not 70, 42, £16 each. So 7 16, so 112. And this would then be, x would be 8. And this would be £14. 80, yeah, that all works out nicely. So everything's fine. And there are 7 friends.